You must be thinking that these animals does not belong to Earth. But no, they do belong to our planet. They belong to a very horrific part of Earth, Chernobyl. This place has experienced the worst human mistake or the worst nuclear explosion ever. The level of radiation in this place at the time of explosion was more than 400 nuclear bombs. If anyone gets exposed to this level of radiation can die in just 1 hour. That is why the animals of this place got mutated. Some have 8 legs, some have strange faces, and some have very different bodies. What really happened in Chernobyl which caused so much of chaos? Why did the nuclear reactor exploded? And how did the same radiation that is present in banana become the reason of death for so many people? Let's dive into this. 1986. This is the year when many countries came under one country, USSR, or Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. In one of its cities named Chernobyl, which now came under Ukraine, the Russian nuclear program developed the technology for RBMK reactors. The Chernobyl power complex consisted of 4 RBMK reactors. RBMK is a short form for Reactor Bolshoi Mощности Channelny, which translates to high power channel type reactor. In the simple terms, the reactor is a giant tank full of atoms. They are themselves composed of 3 particles: proton, neutron and electrons. In a reactor, the neutrons collide with atoms another, splitting them apart and generating heat in a process known as nuclear fission. That helps generate steam, and the steam is used to spin a turbine, which in turn drives a generator to create electricity. The RBMK reactor number 4 exploded due to some reason that we will discuss later, releasing an enormous amount of radioactive material into the air. The immediate blast killed 30 people, but those who died because of cancer caused by radiation is countless. From Chernobyl power plant, the radiation spread over an area of 200,000 kilometers, and the world's worst nuclear incident has taken place. The RBMK reactor that exploded at Chernobyl number 4 was a huge 23 feet tall and almost 40 feet wide. The most important part of the reactor is the core, a huge piece of graphite sandwiched between 2 biological sheets which do not let harmful radiation come out of it. The core is where the fission takes place. It has thousands of channels which contain fuel rods composed of uranium, which has atoms that are easy to split. Water flows through the fuel rod channels and the entire structure is packed in steel and sand. The water acts as a cooling agent for reactor and also provide the steam used to drive the turbines. On 25th April, before a routine shutdown, the reactor crew at Chernobyl 4 began preparing for a test which aimed to fix some issues. Because during the test, the team in Chernobyl control room ignored some safety protocols. So by the time that the operator moved to shut down the reactor, it was in an extremely unstable condition. The design of the control rods caused a dramatic power surge as they were inserted into the reactor. The interaction of very hot fuel with the cooling water led rapid steam production, which caused an increase in pressure in reactor. Due to huge buildup of pressure within the core, at 1 am on 26 April, the explosion occurs. This explosion caused the largest uncontrolled radioactive release into the environment ever. It was like radioactive material of 400 atomic bomb dropped in a moment. So now the question is, why did so many people die due to that radiation? And why is radiation so harmful for humans or any other living thing? The bananas that we eat also emit radioactive radiation, but the level is so low that it does not affect on us. But in nuclear processes, the high energy radiation given off by radioactive decay can take the form of very high speed particles like electrons or waves like gamma or X-rays. All nuclear radiation has enough energy to strip off electrons from atoms and molecules, making them ions. That is why they are called ionizing radiation. It is this electron stripping property of ionized radiation that when it interacts with our body, it does the damage to our cell and tissues. The removal of electrons from atoms of our cell and tissue can break chemical bonds inside them, which cause to destroy or change the DNA present in our body. DNA is like the guidebook for our body. It have the codes for cells of body to grow in a certain manner. But when the body does not have this guide, then cells started to grow unnaturally without even stopping, and this is what we call cancer. Do you know that our sun also shed this kind of radiation which can cause cancer, named ultraviolet rays? But our earth has a protective layer for all kinds of harmful radiation which we call ozone layer. And interestingly, radiations is one of the biggest challenges that we will face in colonized planet like Mars or in other interplanetary mission. Long exposure to harmful radiation can cause cancer in astronauts. The nearest city to Chernobyl, Pripyat, became the ghost or abandoned city after the explosion because the government made people evacuate immediately. Many animals of that place have become mutated. Some of them got unnatural shapes. That place where this incident happened is still radioactive and it would take 20,000 years for it to neutralize. But now government have built cover over it that would not let any radiation come out of it. As we have told you that immediate blast killed 30 people, but those who die because of cancer caused by radiation is countless. From Chernobyl power plant, that radiation spread over an area of 200,000 square kilometer. This makes us think that how dangerous can nuclear energy be. India itself contains 23 nuclear power plant and USA have 96 of. So the question comes out from our mind is that can incident like this ever happen again? Scientists say that the incident of Chernobyl was due to a flawed design. With today's design and safety protocols, there is very low possibility for something like that to happen. Carelessness is very dangerous thing, and when it comes to science and experiment, it become worse. In Chernobyl, it was both that they become careless and also that the design of reactor was not very safe. But even today, we cannot see anything because the energy produced in nuclear power plant is enormous. If we did not become careful about the power of nature, then history could repeat itself. If we did not die because of any nuclear explosion, we will surely die because of global warming. And I am not saying this, United Nations is saying this. If you don't want this to happen to our planet, then see this video. Everything about global warming is explained very simply. Subscribe if you want to watch more amazing and knowledgeable videos like this. Please hit the like button for our hard work. Share this video, be aware and make others aware too.